I've been trying chat with lonely foreigners to get paid house, and I came to realize that these are the five best particular platform that you should engage in. Okay, it's not like it's going to be giving you huge amount of money, but it's actually going to be paying your bills. Like these particular platforms pays your bill. So I guess that you should try them. Okay, so my first one I love so much is the Iwi app. Currently, like I've been seeing a lot of people withdraw each particular Tuesday. Like their payments are being given to them each Tuesday. Like Iwi app is like is so sweet. Every Wednesday they withdraw your money, and it is whatever you get for the week. Like they pay you with what you get in the week. Okay, if you get like $3, your $3 is going to be deposited into your account. You get like $4, your $4 is good, depending on the ratio or the rate of that dollar, like ratio of dollar in a particular week. Okay, on a particular day, if dollar is like 1,500, you are going to be getting 1,500 for each dollar that you make from this particular app. Oh my, this app is sweet. That's Iwi app. Okay, so that is my number one app, Iwi. So what you need to do in Iwi is just register in Iwi app, join agency, then start going live streaming, or you wait on matching calls and get match calls, then you reply messages, and that's all. You make your money. Okay, so the minimum threshold is $3. If you don't get to $3, forget about it. There will be no pay for the week, and your coins will be withdrawn. Okay, so that is one thing about Iwi. And my number second particular platform is the Hiti stroke Patino app. So for those who are using iOS, they make use of Patino app, but for those who are using Android, is Hiti app. So one thing about Hiti app is that it's just random call. You don't need to go live streaming. You don't need to do any other thing. Like they don't pay you for the chat too, but one thing they do is just you just have to bring people to call you on. Get 10 coins per each 20 seconds they call you. Did I tell you that each 10 coins you get from this particular Patino app is 0.0 cents? So you can actually make $40, and the minimum threshold is $40. So you can actually make $40 within a week. That is if you know what you are doing. You can get people to private call you, and you can always be there in the random call. So it's sweet. The number third app I'm going to be discussing is the Babe Connect app. You know, like like Iwi app, Babe Connect is another app. But one thing about Babe Connect is that you don't live stream another, but you get matching calls. So once you are like you get matching calls and all that, you earn money every single week. But one thing about this Babe Connect, one thing about Babe Connect is that it's also agency pay. So once you get to your minimum threshold for the week, you are going to be getting paid. Unlike Iwi app, when you if you don't get to the minimum threshold for that week, you are not going to be getting, you are like your coins will go. It's not like that with Babe Connect. So with Babe Connect, you can actually work, like continue working the next week if it not meet the minimum threshold. Okay, so that is one thing about Babe Connect, and I so much love this particular platform. And the next one I love so much is the number fourth one, which is my best of best. Okay, this particular platform, all you need to do is just chat. Like you chat with people, the humans. Like you're going to be like I'm an AI. Okay, so you chat with humans, and after chatting with them, each chat you make, they are going to be crediting you coins for this particular chat you make. And for our Nigerian guys, our Nigerian girls, it is agency pay. Okay, so agency pays you once you meet $5. Even if it's a day you meet $5, you can paste it, and you are going to be getting your money. So it's agency pay, right? And this particular app is called Linky AI. So it's like an AI is like where you are an AI and you're trying to like chat like an AI, getting people to like you, or getting people to like feel free to chat you. Okay, like discuss whatever thing that is their problem and all that. Just chat and get paid. And you can also get people to like after chatting you, they can call you. So once they call you, or you send pictures, like they'll be like, send picture, I want to see you, or call me, I want to see you, let's video call. You're going to be getting paid for that. Now, my other app that I love so much is this particular app, though this one doesn't pay you for let me say, though this one doesn't pay you for chatting. Okay, it doesn't pay you for chatting, but this one gives you your partner. This is my best of it. Okay, even if you don't want to make money, you can get whoever it is that your mind is searching for. So if you want to know much about this particular app, please don't forget to join our WhatsApp group. The link is going to be in the description box. Okay, so when you come, you choose the particular app that you like. So these are my 5 best particular apps so far. Don't forget to hit the subscription button, and don't forget to like this video as well. See you in my next video. Bye.